All right, so I'm inside of my room finally at the Hilton Motif. You see, when I arrived, it was 9:30, and they didn't have any rooms available except for the ones with the waterfront view. And of course, that was gonna cost me more money. But you know what I forgot? I forgot I'm on a business trip. And although I'm on a business trip, it's tax deductible. So it's like, why am I being cheap for? Anyway, it is what it is. They got me here on the 5th floor, the same floor as the restaurant. They do have a door separating the hallway from where we stay at and the hallway, or from the area where the restaurant is. And the restaurant, there's like a long hallway to go to it. Plus, I get complimentary, a $10 complimentary food or whatever that comes with this. So that is wonderful. Okay, I gotta figure out how to turn the lights on. But here is the closet. Yes, they have an ironing board. I'm happy about that. An iron, and that might be either an extra comforter or a robe, along with a safe and plenty of hangers. But I'm only going to be here for a day, so it don't matter. I'm not even going to fully unpack. Okay, and so now this here is the bathroom. So we come to the sink. You have a little mirror here. Tissue, I always take that and put that in the bedroom. All right. Enough towels. Well, it's a pretty big shower here. They have, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The basics, right? So I guess this is an adjoining room. All right, here is a big full-size mirror. So we're gonna swing over. And this is one bed. I like that the headboard is that soft headboard and not that hard one. Plus there's a little light on top, which is a nice little touch. You have your end tables. You have a mini couch. I guess this could probably fit a small child. And then you have another bed here. They said that this is 2 queen-size beds. I would say that's about right. Now, oh, I see, that's a radio. Another light. This is the desk. The TV was on when I came in. Okay, we have the coffee here. Let's open up this. We have the refrigerator, ice maker, and you have glasses. Let's see what's in here. Just empty drawers. Probably won't use because I gotta check out tomorrow. So as you can see, I have the front view of the hotel. They have another restaurant downstairs. There's a bank across the street, cafe, bakery. We're really pretty much in the center of the city. This is on 5th Street between Pine and Pike. So not far from the waterfront, I can walk to the waterfront. If I was on the other side, of course, I would do that. I was trying to show you the sign, and you can see, even though it's blocked off, waterfront that way, retail district that way, financial district in Chinatown straight ahead. But to be honest, Chinatown is still a good walk. It's not easy to walk from here to there. It would be a good distance, particularly for people who may have some physical disabilities when it comes to walking. Otherwise, it's a pretty good location. Again, you have to be so careful in this area because you do have some drug addicts here. You do have some homeless people here. As a matter of fact, before I got on the monorail, which is 2 blocks away, they caught a shoplifter. They tackled him and handcuffed him. So when you're traveling alone, even when you're not traveling alone, you always have to be on the lookout, and you have to be so careful about what's going on. The other thing is, I went to Seattle Center just for entertainment, not for business. And while I was in one of the bathrooms, a man came in, used it. He didn't have a shirt on or anything. I believe that guy was homeless. He might have also been an addict on top of that, but I believe he was homeless. And the thing is, I understand that there are people who classify themselves in a particular way, but it was very clear that he did not classify himself as a woman by the way he looked. He could have definitely went to the men's bathroom, So, and the thing is, it was only 2 of us in there, and I didn't know. I knew someone was in there, but I didn't know who it was until he got out. So again, you got to be very, very careful when traveling alone. And the lesson I learned is, I like to go to the bathrooms where a lot of people are not using because I figured they'd be cleaner. Well, yeah, other things can happen in those public bathrooms as well. All right. Until next time.